Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel today. Today I'm going to give you my honest review on Lil Helper's Life Changer mat. So this is one thing that gets on my nerves a little bit, and I'm probably not the only one. Lil Helper sells two mats. They have the Life Saver and the Life Changer. That in itself, there's a lot of confusion, but anyway, it is what it is. It does not affect the quality of the product. So this is the Life Changer mat. It's the smaller mat. It is 18 by 22 inches. You can see that? So it's perfect for diaper changes. That's what it was intended for. You can fit it in your diaper bag and it's great. It's small enough for that. I wouldn't say that there's a lot of other uses for it. And again, if you know me and know my videos, I am totally honest. Before I got this product, I thought I would never buy this product. When I knew that they had the Lifesaver mat, I wanted to save up for that because that's the larger mat. And I do have a video with my review on that as well. But then I won this in a giveaway, this Life Changer mat. And I would say that since then, I would definitely buy another one. I would definitely buy it for a friend, and let me show you why. So what's great about these is it has this waterproof backing. This is the pattern side, the really cute side. And it's waterproof. It's the same material that the cloth diapers are made of, so it will keep moisture where it belongs. And then it's got, on the inside, it has organic bamboo. It has the charcoal bamboo layer, which is the same material that the cloth diaper inserts are made out of. So that's a lot of lingo. Maybe you don't even do cloth diapers, and that's totally fine. So basically, it's got the waterproof lining on the back, and it's got the absorbent materials on the front here, on the top. And I find these perfect, not just for changing diapers, because of COVID, we don't really go out. We find this perfect for in the morning when I take off her diaper. She's 3 months right now. I just take off her diaper and let her air out a bit, and I just slip this right under her. And it really does keep pee on the mat. So much so that I've tested it. She's peed and then I've taken her off and I've tried to feel underneath where the puddle should be. And there's no puddle on my bed, but there's also, you can't feel the puddle on the waterproof side of the blanket. It's a really good quality mat. So I would recommend this for a baby shower gift. I'd recommend it as a gift for an infant. My only thing is because of its size, I don't really use it, and I wouldn't really use it for my toddler. So I wouldn't give it as a gift for a toddler. I'm sure I could be creative and use it if I really needed to. If I'm using this in my diaper bag, I would put him on it to change his diaper. But otherwise, if I only had a toddler, I probably wouldn't buy this mat. But for an infant, I use it every day, and it's really awesome. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope